afternoon, Professor. I will introduce my personal timetable in the last week, and this is my personal timetable in this year. I'm drawing the figure of my last task for the memory now, and learn some knowledge about the biosensor. My personal plan is listed below. During the September to October in this year, I will complete the drawing work of the last task and learn some project-related knowledge and reading the related papers. During the November to December of this year, I will complete the writing of the manuscript on my last task and study the equipment and the operations related about the project. And in addition, I have finished the test measurement of the previous task and the mechanism explanation of the previous task until now. In the last week, I continue to do my unfinished work. The main task is draw the logic error figure. And this is my structure of my previous work. It's divided in two parts. Just like the device characterization, electric measurement, and logic operation and mechanism explanation. And I have finished the figure about the electric measurement and the logic operation, and I need supply the device characteristic figure and the mechanism explanation. This is a warm performance about titanium-based RM device, and this is the bipolar resistive switching behavior property of the proposed device. I have added the new device structure in this figure, and this is the logic operation under the electrical regulation. We show that device can achieve input logic. This is a basic logic operation in the bio logic. And this figure shows that the device can respond to the light, including the red light and the blue light, mixing with the electric signal. The proposed device can achieve all and logic, just like this figure, and the red and the electric can achieve and logic. The blue and electrical can realize the AND operation. This figure is my work in the last week. I draw every figure about the logic operation to clearly show the operation process, just like the above mentioned. The red and the input electric signal 1 is composed AND operation in the device, and the blue light and the input electric 2 compose the OR operation of the device. So this is the main information about this work. And this is the mechanism figure of the resistive switching behavior. Under the high resistance state, you can see the CEFM didn't show the high current in this figure, but when the voltage applied to the device, the current is increased, and after the high positive voltage applied to the device, report a negative voltage to the device, and see this kind of device can't return back to the zero current, indicating the device is a warm performance. And then the second device show any current in the initial state. After applied high voltage, the current is increased, but different with the first device. This after applied negative voltage, the current can return to the initial state, just like the figure D and figure F shows. This is my mechanism of the device. And in the last week, I conclude the next depots and finish the task. I will finish the characteristic figure, that is the figure 1, which includes the structure diagram figure of the proper device, and using the SolidWorks software to draw it. Then I will analyze the AFM fields to draw the surface roughness figure, and draw energy bound level figure to support the mechanism theory. In the past week, I make the class PPT about soccer. This is my class content in the past week. So like according to the third football, the history of football, and like this. And thank you, Professor.